Hello kids, let's learn shapes and colors name. Circle, triangle, square, pentagon, heart, star. Let's learn colors name. Pink color, red color, sky blue color, orange color, light green color, purple color, green color, yellow color, blue color, brown color, black color. Let's fill the colors. Sky blue color, circle, red color, triangle, light green color, square, blue color, pentagon, pink color, heart, yellow color, star. Let's revise. Circle, triangle, square, pentagon, heart, star. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to Know Kids. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.